And today, special thanks to my friends at Syncwire who were nice enough to send me this green magnetic phone grip. Now, as you can see, this one looks a little bit different than most of them. The model number is the SW2389. And if I cut this little slit right here, then I can show you what this looks like. So slab this out, nothing else in there. Now, first off, I'll show you the little instruction set. Since this is technically made for a MagSafe device, they are nice enough to include warranty info, a positioner for the metal rings, which these metal rings you'd be able to position on your phone to use one of these metal rings so that you could use this device with a device that does not have MagSafe. Now, a little clip here to like clip it onto something with this if you wanted to, or with this, or with that. Now you'd be able to just peel that right off. You've got your MagSafes there, and this easily just magnetizes to the back of the phone and gives you the ability to use the suction cups where you can literally stick your phone basically on anything, or you can use the rings. So with the rings, you can use the rings to help you hold your phone, or you can even like fold these out and have like a kickstand, whichever way you may need that. But that's a look at this Syncwire magnetic phone grip with suction cups. Absolutely love it. Thanks again to my friends at Syncwire who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.